Alright, OKC versus Indiana in the NBA Finals. Hindi mo to in-expect. Ako din. But here we are. Let's break it down. The stars, the matchups, and who's got the edge. Alright, OKC Thunder, best record sa buong NBA at 68-14. MVP season ni SGA. Then may support pa from J-Dub and rising star like Chet Holmgren. They're young, deep, and deadly on defense. On the other hand, Indiana Pacers naman, one of the best offensive teams sa East. Andiyan si Tyrese Haliburton. Siyempre, Siakam just won his ECF MVP. And they're sharp shooting from deep like crazy. And magaling din sila mag-adjust sa mid-game. Okay, let's talk about the matchup. SGA versus Haliburton. So this is going to be the battle of the guards. Scoring machine si SGA, but Haliburton leads one of the most efficient offenses this year. Tapos meron din tayong Chet Holmgren versus Pascal Siakam. So Chet's rim protection versus Siakam's veteran moves. Dito natin malalaman kung sino talaga ang may edge sa paint, no? Meron din tayo sa Battle of the Bench. So meron dyan, Pacers have Nembhard and Obi Toppin. But Thunder has depth when it comes to their bench. Man, it's real. Lahat may role. Alright, let's talk about the odds. Thunder's defense. Yes, they can lock down 3.4 points per 100 possessions. Better than anyone sa playoffs. But the Pacers offense, they're averaging 120 plus per game in the postseason. Lights out shooting, bro. Now, most of the professionals said Thunder are heavy favorites on this series. So, meron silang nasa, I think, minus 800 sa series. Pacers will be the underdogs at plus 550. Pero never underestimate a hungry team, bro. Alright, game 1 starts on June 5 sa OKC. Every other day ang game till game 7 kung aabot. So mark your calendars. You can watch the games live sa Arena Live.ph. So you just have to look for me there, Arena or Amplified Sports. Follow me there para maging updated kayo sa ating mga live games, update, and promos sa Arena Plus out. Good day.